Title: The Science of Sunscreen. How zinc oxide protects your skin from UV rays. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Skincare Learning. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of skincare and sun protection. Have you ever wondered how sunscreen, specifically those containing zinc oxide, shields our skin from harmful UV rays? Well, stick around because we've got the answers for you. Section 1. Understanding UV rays. First things first, let's understand what we're up against. The sun emits ultraviolet, UV, rays, which are classified into UVA and UVB rays. These rays can penetrate the skin, causing damage that ranges from premature aging to more severe issues like skin cancer. Section 2. Sunscreen Basics. Good sunscreen, our superhero in a bottle. Sunscreens are designed to create a barrier between our skin and UV rays, and one key ingredient that plays a crucial role is zinc oxide. Section 3. The role of zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is a mineral compound that has been used in skincare for centuries. What sets it apart is its ability to provide broad-spectrum protection, meaning it guards against both UVA and UVB rays. But how does it do that? Section 4. Physical versus chemical sunscreen. There are two main types of sunscreens, physical and chemical. Zinc oxide falls into the physical sunscreen category. Instead of absorbing UV rays like chemical sunscreens, it sits on the skin's surface and acts as a physical barrier, reflecting and scattering the UV rays away from the skin. Section 5. The nanoparticle controversy. Now, you might have heard about the controversy surrounding nanoparticles in sunscreen. Some people worry about them being absorbed into the skin. The good news is that non-nano zinc oxide particles typically stay on the surface of the skin, minimizing any potential absorption concerns. Section 6. Benefits of zinc oxide. So, why choose zinc oxide? Well, besides its broad-spectrum protection and minimal skin absorption, zinc oxide is known for being gentle on sensitive skin, making it suitable for all skin types. It's also resistant to water, making it a great choice for those sunny beach days. Section 7. Conclusion and recommendations. In conclusion, zinc oxide is a powerhouse when it comes to protecting our skin from the sun's harmful rays. Whether you're heading outdoors for a hike or simply strolling in the park, don't forget to apply sunscreen with zinc oxide to keep your skin safe and healthy. Closing. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and science-backed insights. Stay sun safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.